Have you heard about AWS Systems Manager and how it can help automate patch management?
Yes, I have. It's a native solution designed to streamline and secure the patch management workflow in the AWS Cloud Platform.
That's great. Did you know that AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager automates patching processes for both Windows and Linux instances?
Yes, and it eliminates the need for traditional Bastion instances, making the patching process more efficient and secure.
That's impressive. How does it work?
SSM orchestrates the patching process without the need for Bastion instances. It uses maintenance windows to schedule disruptive actions on instances, including patching OS and upgrading drivers.
That sounds useful. How do you set it up?
You need to create an IAM role for EC2, attach necessary policies, such as Amazon EC2 role for SSM, and create custom patch baselines. After that, you can start patching instances using SSM.
Wow, that's a lot of steps. Is it worth it?
Definitely. AWS Systems Manager ensures a secure and streamlined patch management workflow in your AWS environment, saving time and reducing the risk of errors.
That's good to know. Where can I learn more about it?
There are plenty of resources available, including the AWS documentation and external articles. We also have a curated list of references in the guide.